Cliff Dweller here, Sloan's Wilderness Expeditions. I'm out not too far from home today, just across our county line. I'm at NICHES Land Trust's Black Rock Nature Preserve. It's a very unique spot right off the Wabash River. It's a sandstone outcrop, rises about 100 feet above the Wabash. You won't find anything like it for 100 miles in either direction on the Wabash. So we're going to check it out. As we come into the preserve, we're actually right on top of the sandstone outcrop. So you can see, down there's the Wabash. About the history of this spot. It was 1811, before the Battle of Tippecanoe, while Tecumseh was out gathering all of the Indian tribes to unite. His brother Prophet put a bunch of warriors here, expecting General Harrison to come through. So this was actually a spot here on the Wabash where those warriors camped out, watching over the river for that cavalry to come through a year before the actual battle. Would certainly be a good spot to keep an eye out on things, huh? Another point of history here in this location. In 1838, the Potawatomi Trail of Death passed through here. The forced relocation of the Potawatomi Indians, 660 miles from Plymouth, Indiana, out to Kansas, right through here. Take this little side trail now, take us down around to the bottom side of the sandstone outcrop. For those of you who follow me regularly, you probably already know why I like this location. When it comes to any kind of stone walls and outcrops and cliffs and such. Well, that's why they call me Cliff Dweller. In the 1850s, one of the longest shipping canals ever built passed through here. The Wabash and Erie Canal stretched 460 miles from the Great Lakes and made its way all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, uniting several other canals and, of course, the Mississippi and Ohio rivers. And it passed straight on the other side of the Wabash over there. It's kind of hard to see where it would have been right now, but it's definitely over there. Now that I've kind of got some of the history of this spot here out of the way, I'll show you why the nature preserve was so interested in it. You don't really find these kind of features too many places in northern Indiana. may feel like we're way out in the boondocks, but we're actually really close to West Lafayette, Indiana. Just a few miles from Purdue University. There's history anywhere you go. Always something to learn.